Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok live option is missing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to fix the issue, just simply open your TikTok application and after that go to your profile, and from your profile click into this three bars and go to settings and privacy. Into these settings and privacy, scroll down to all the way bottom until you see this report a problem section. Click into that, and after clicking into report a problem section, you will get this interface. Now you just simply have to select live into here, and in here just simply select the suitable option for you, and after that select this first option. Then it will give you some possible solution for this. You should try those solution, and if it still doesn't work, click to this need more help option. And after that you should describe your issue into this box, then include screenshot and screen record of the problem and click to the submit button. And then TikTok help desk will get your report, and after that it will review your problem and it will be solved as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.